Updating your payout destination on Etsy is essential for ensuring you receive your earnings correctly. Follow these steps to make the necessary changes. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Access the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account associated with your shop. Step 2. Navigate to Shop Manager. Once logged in, locate and click on the Shop Manager option, usually found at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the main dashboard for your shop. Step 3. Go to Finances. In the Shop Manager, find and click on the Finances tab in the left-hand menu. This section contains all financial settings related to your shop. Step 4. Select Payment Settings. Under the Finances section, look for Payment Settings and click on it. Here, you will find options related to your payout methods and destinations. Step 5. Update your payout destination. In the Payment Settings, you will see your current payout destination. Click on the option to edit or update it. Follow the prompts to enter your new payout information, then save your changes. After completing these steps, your payout destination will be updated. Make sure to double-check your information to avoid any issues with future payments.